Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Forza Horizon 4 black screen. First, all you have to do, click here, type background apps. Now make sure to disable all those applications and then close it and type here graphics settings. Now make sure to enable this one, and after that go back and type here Windows update settings, and then make sure to install all the updates that you can find here and close it, and then type here now type here game mode settings, enable this option, go to Xbox game bar, turn it off, and now the last thing you need to do, restart your PC, and after starting your PC, open Task Manager, go to details, scroll down until you find applications that starts with F, as you see here. If you can't find it, just stay with G, and then stay here and go and open Forza Horizon 4 and run it as administrator. Now you will find here Forza Horizon, right click on it, set priority and make it high, change priority. Now you need to do it fast, and that's it. Then just wait and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.